In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. Adding engaging multimedia content like videos can really help bring your website to life, capturing your audience's attention and conveying your message effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to your Hostinger account. Open up a new tab in your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger homepage. Here, you want to direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Websites. This is the section where you'll manage all your website projects. In the Websites section, you should see a list of all the websites you have currently under your account. Find the website to which you want to add a video and click on Edit Website. This will open the website editor for the specific project you wish to work on. With the website editor open, look towards the left side of the interface where you'll find a series of tools and options. You'll see a button that says Add Section. Click on it. This option allows you to include additional functionalities and sections to your web page. By expanding your web page with new sections, you're able to incorporate dynamic content like galleries, testimonials, and of course, videos. After clicking on Add Section, a variety of options will appear showcasing different types of content you can add. What we're interested in today is adding a video. So, within this list, find and click on Video to be pedido. This will insert a placeholder into your web page where you can then embed your video of choice. Now, once the video section is added to your layout, it's time to configure it. Typically, you can either upload a video file directly or, more commonly, insert a link from a video hosting service like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply paste the URL of your video into the provided field, and the builder will automatically embed it for you. This approach not only streamlines your workflow, but ensures that your site remains lightweight and quick to load rather than being bogged down with heavy video files. Use the preview function to make sure everything looks perfect. After you've ensured that your video is nicely integrated and functioning as anticipated, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located in the top corner of your editor, to ensure all your hard work is safely stored. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a video to your website using Hostinger's intuitive website builder. Videos can be a powerful tool to engage visitors and deliver information concisely, so make sure to utilize this feature effectively. I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.